Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Learn App Maker. In this video, we're going to make a simple to-do list manager. As you can see on the screen, there is a simple text box that I can use to add tasks that I need to remember about all the day. So maybe like go out for shopping and then buy a car, build a mansion, and probably buy a uh, phone or whatever. So, and when we are done with any task, we can just check beside this checkbox of each task when we're done with it, so that we know we completed that task. And then if we are like want to remove that task from the entire list, we can just click clear beside it to remove it from the task list. So let's see now how we can start building this to-do list manager with Mozilla App Maker. Our to-do list manager application, we will be needing a few bricks here. So first, let's hop into the utility section of the bricks. And from here, let's hop down to the to-do list brick and just click on it to add to our application. So now we have to mention the name of a collection for the to-do items to go in. So your app can have multiple collections, but our app only has one. So you can just specify a name for the collection where our to-do list items will be saved in. Okay, so the name can be like to-dos, like the example says to-dos. So done. So I don't have any to-do items, but unfortunately I don't even see any options to add to-do items to the application. Now we need a way to actually add items to the application, and that's where our second brick comes in. We're going to use the text input brick. The text input brick will allow us to input our tasks, or to enter our tasks or our to-do items into the to-do list. So let's just click on it to add to the app. So we now have a to-do item, a to-do list brick, and a text input brick. So now if we type anything into the text input brick, like say buy a car, and click submit, woo, it appears on the list. And then again say buy a mansion, that also pops up. And then again say sell my old phone, submit, well, that appears as well. It's I think it's barely working, and basically we can click on it to ensure to mark it as the task being done, 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 not done. And we can also remove our completed tasks by clicking the clear button. But something's missing, you know? I mean, the app works, it's now working. I mean, we can add tasks, and we can also mark tasks as completed and remove it. But the interface seems a bit clumsy, really not a very good interface for the user to work in. At least it doesn't look like the apps we're used to with on our phones. So let's do a little bit of rearrangement. Let's take this text input over here and drag it to the top, just over the list here. So now it seems a bit natural than before. So we can like add new items, say chicken, submit. Oh, it looks a bit more natural. But still, this text input field seems a bit weird. I mean, it has the text placeholder and submit. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. I'm going to submit a placeholder. So let's change the text over here. So let's change this placeholder text to be, say, a task or a to-do. And let's change the submit tag to add task. So just hop in over here in the brick customization panel. And from here, we can change the button label to be add task, which now adds more meaning to the button, that the button actually adds tasks. And then we can change the placeholder text to indicate that what's title or say name of the task or whatever we want to call it. So now it seems a bit more natural. So name of the task, like drink a glass of water, add task, and the interface seems a bit more natural, at least than before. And to rev up the interface a bit more, we can add a basic header to our application. So just go to the basic panel here, and we're going to just add a header to make the application look nice. Basically, it doesn't have anything to do with the functionality. It's just making the app look nicer on your device. So just click the header here and change the text to be to-do list manager or whatever you want, and then just drag it to on top of the. So now we have a fantastic to-do list manager that we can use to track our daily chores. We can add tasks. We can mark tasks as being done, and we also can remove tasks when they are done. So I hope you enjoyed building this application with me, and stay tuned to the Let's Learn Webmaker YouTube channel. Goodbye.